Hello, welcome back to CampervanCulture. Right, me and Mike are going to go head to head with our two favourite chairs. This one, the front runner, fold-up chair, we've been using it for years. We think it's the best small compact chair, although there are a little bit of compromises with it because it is so small. But we've also got the Old Man Emu, the new chair they brought out, which is Mike's current favourite, so we're going to go head to head.
I think mine might win this.
We'll see.
Right, let's have a look. Size of the bags. There is a bit in it, isn't there? I mean, you could probably fit two of those in the space of one of these. But if we're talking about usual chairs, petrol station chairs and all that cheap nonsense, they're quite long and bulky and big. This fits really neat in my truck. I have two of them stacked up, but it's nice and square. So
yeah, size-wise,
back in size. That's all right.
It's still small. That's tiny, so yeah, and let me just actually point out, with the front runner, the bag isn't included in the sale price, where with the Old Man Emu it is included, so yeah, size-wise there's not much in it, but if you're carrying 4 chairs then there is.
Yeah, you know.
Should I look inside them?
Let's get them open.
Okay. Yours looks like an assault rifle.
This is a bit, it's gone with the Old Man Emu retro colours. They say, you know, with the gold anodized, I think, set up. It feels quite sturdy, quite solid.
Yeah, again, this is teeny compared to it. Still a small chair compared to the bigger ARB touring chairs. But yeah, I mean, there's a lot more to yours than there is to this. But let's put them up and see what they're like. Right, instantly, I feel that I'm going to win on this one. Okay, we'll run through the front runner one first of all. Again, really small, so that's your selling point of this, I suppose. It's not as padded as yours, Mike, but to sit at the table and for folding down is pretty good. And you have got pockets for, looks like, change your phone, little kind of drinks holder there, and a little pocket there. But yeah, that's as much as you're going to get with that one.
I love those chairs, and I really nearly got one. But the reason why I went for this is because, first of all, it is quite big. When you sat it the first time, you were tempted straight away to get some.
Yeah.
It is a really comfortable chair.
It's a lot more comfortable.
It's upright as well, so you can sit at a table and you can eat with it, which with some of the bigger lounge chairs you can't do. They kind of spread out and then you're kind of leaning over to eat your dinner. You all know that I like my food, which is why I think this is 150 kg weight limit on this thing.
Right. Okay.
So it is quite a sturdy piece of kit that isn't going to break. Now there are two big things about this chair. You know exactly what I'm going to say.
I'm going to cry.
But let's go to the first one, which is great in itself. You might think a table on the side is a novelty idea, but it's not. When you're eating around a campfire or you've got your plate of food, just being able to put that down and have your drink makes all the difference. You're not putting it down on the ground. And if you've seen what I do, I've got a little dog, Rupert, that eats food that was left on the ground, so keeping it up there is handy. I've got a little cup holder to put my beer. This is the game-changing bit. Once I've drank that beer and I've put it on the table, not on the floor, I can then lean over here and sit it.
Show magic.
I can lean over here and I have a cooling pouch which I can keep cans, bottles of beer, bottles of cider, depending if it's summer, and all of that jazz. I've got a little zip pocket here as well, which I can keep some stuff in as well. But I've got a cool bag in there, so you know, if you go back to the truck or anything like that, pick up a couple of beers, pick up a few extra, put them in there, and away you go.
That's removable, isn't it, as well?
Yes, it is actually. So you don't want that on there. But I mean, you can hang that up on your awning as well. I've done that a couple of times on the awning rack. after, and then I've got a little pocket that I can put stuff in. So, I mean, for me, that is the best portable small chair on the market, hands down. I think we both agreed on that. The big
For size.
It's the best compact one.
Yeah.
The big ALB one is probably the comfiest one we've had, but it comes with its problems with its size and
They are being torn.
sitting on the table.
Yeah.
For me, this is the hybrid.
Yeah, I think so too. Should we have a look at the arse on them? Nice bit of branding there.
Oh, do you know what? An extra picture. Steph is always saying I have a builder's bump.
Yeah, no one's going to
Can you
see
see it?
cracking that. They'll definitely see you cracking that.
Yeah, we will see it.
You've got a little font there at the back. What's that? Is that a pocket too? Oh yeah, that's got a note.
Yeah. I mean, this thing is just built for spending a day round camp with all your bits and pieces, quick phone on the side, carry your stuff.
I've just noticed as well with the cup holder, you can have a traditional cup as well.
Yeah.
It's really well thought out. Obviously, it's going to be more money. It folds up slightly bigger than the front runner chair, but you do get a lot more going on with that, don't you?
Yeah. I love it.
So, I think do you know what? I think the old money is probably the winner, isn't it?
It's a little bit more insulated. You feel that foam in there. You see how that's lightweight, but we've got foam in here. So on a cold night,
Yeah, that's
it
it.
kind of, you're not feeling that cold on your back.
And I'm not knocking the front runner chair because it is, like Mike said, it is the best, most compact chair you can get, and it still is in our opinion. But for a hybrid, something that's got a lot more going on, I guess I could be easily swayed by the old money new, unless I was travelling in a smaller vehicle, then it go right back to the front runner chair again. So yeah, that's about it. Hope you liked our little chat about chairs.
It's alright,
yeah, it's alright. So at least you can see, and then obviously putting them down again is it's always a proper kind of tester, but yeah, thanks for tuning in, and maybe we'll do this again.
Yeah, who knows? Maybe